3 set. They're off and he missed it. To the roar of the crowd, he missed it by probably 2, Pakistan Star. Kingsfield was away fast, as was Right Call. Carefree Prince wider out, pushing on. Colossus is racing handy, followed by Radiant Steed, and then 2 further back to Ying Kid from Amber Dragon. Super Leaders caught wide from 10 Flames and Run Forest down on the rail. A length enough further back then to Marble Hero. 2 back Citron Spirit, a length away to Acturiot, and Pakistan Star is 10 to 12 from the pace. And last of all, as they sweep down the side, 800 metres to go. And Kingsfield shows the way and he slows them up. Leads by a length to Carefree Prince. Right Call is third. Colossus fourth. Radiant Steed, Run Forest. Followed then by Amber Dragon as they come up towards the bend. Ying Kid, Marble Hero down on the rail. 10 Flames Super Leader. Citron Spirit, Acturiot. Pakistan Star is last of all. And Chadwick peels him to the outside. They're in the stretch 400 metres out. Kingsfield joined by Carefree Prince to the roar of the crowd here at Sha Tin. Here he comes, Pakistan Star emerging down the middle. Carefree Prince, Kingsfield, Marble Hero up the rail. Pakistan Star still coming, sweeping to the lead. What an amazing turn of acceleration. Pakistan Star race to the lead from Marble Hero. Oh, he's a ripper. Pakistan Star from Marble Hero and Kingsfield third. Citron Spirit, Carefree Prince, Ying Kid, Super Leader, then Run Forest, Colossus, followed by Radiant Steed, Right Call, Acturiot, 10 Flames, and last in Amber Dragon. Well, that's the type of racing we all love. The hairs on your back of your neck stand up when you see things like that. Pakistan Star. Too good for Marble Hero. Kingsfield third. Carefree Prince fourth, just ahead of Citron Spirit, who's